Hey everyone, Tim Rossett here from eminimind.com, and in this quick video I wanted to show you some of the benefits of Heikin-Ashi candlestick charts versus traditional candlestick charts. So on the left side of my screen I have a Heikin-Ashi 15-minute candlestick chart, and on the right side of my screen I have a traditional 15-minute candlestick chart. And I just put together an article for Active Trader magazine that kind of outlines the differences between the two, and it goes into a little bit more detail, but I wanted to show you visually some of the differences on the chart. So you can find that article over at Active Trader Mag, and I think it's on the home page over there. So the main difference here is on a traditional candlestick chart, we're using the open, high, low, and close, those exact numbers that make up each individual candle. Now on a Heikin-Ashi candlestick chart, the open is taken from the midpoint of the prior candle. So you notice if I zoom in, each candle, the opening price starts at the midpoint of the prior candle. And this makes it easier to help identify the trend changes. So if I were to zoom in to a smaller time frame, and I'm going to do this on both charts so you can see the difference. If I zoom into a smaller time frame, it becomes really apparent in the difference of the trend changes and the ability to identify those trend changes using the Heikin-Ashi. So if you're using a methodology where you're pulling different anchor points or looking for swing highs and lows, the Heikin-Ashi chart can make it visually a little bit easier to pull your anchors and draw the setups in the trend and easily identify those swing highs and lows. Makes it easy to place your stops because you're just quickly identifying where the prior swing low is, whereas on the traditional candlestick chart it can be a little bit harder to visually see what the actual trend is. And the other thing that I like is it makes it easier to identify range-bound markets. So when we have situations like this where we have short little spurts of, in this case, green and red, short spurt of red, short spurt of green, that shows that we have this sideways consolidation versus an instance where we have just a big long string of red. That shows a sign of a trending market, and this is a lot easier to pick out visually on the Heikin-Ashi versus if we go to the traditional candlestick chart. This long kind of up and down series here is corresponding with this nice trend on the Heikin-Ashi. So visually it makes it easier to pick out the differences and identify the trend changes on the Heikin-Ashi chart compared to the traditional candlestick chart. So I hope that was helpful. If you liked the video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks again, and have a great day.